Hello everyone and welcome back to Anya's channel. If you don't know me, my name is Anya and I do all sort of beauty video. I'll just put my IG over here somewhere. Today's video is actually a second part video of the previous one. So I'm gonna be filming myself doing DIY lashes using individual lashes and pre-fan lashes. So I already talked to you about the equipment that I have in the previous video. I'm not gonna go over that again, but just straight to the application process. Yeah, that's very exciting. First thing first, we're gonna do the glue. So I'm using this lash brand, Lankies, I guess. So I check them, and I just put them 1, 2. I usually fill one first, and if I need another one, I will just fill the two, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna fill two. And after that, I will clean my tools, so I will clean the tools that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna be using this Lush FX one, and I'll clean this one just for fun. And the separation of my favorite one, which is this one. I have my lashes ready, and after that I will use this lovely micro brush using a lash primer. This one I get it off Amazon as well. It's just a lash primer treatment. So I will just put it down there. I will use this one on the lashes on tray that I got. And I will use exactly the same one, and I will have a mirror. Lovely eyes. All good, I think. Okay, I'm gonna change the camera to come a little bit closer to me. Now you know how I love doing my lashes because of the glue stink your eyes so much. I like to use a surgical tape. You just grab it like that, and I have a mirror here, by the way, if you wonder why I look down. I would just tape it upward tiny bit, just tiny bit, so that I can see all my lashes there. And my lashes is quite long actually, if you can see it there. The principle of it is very easy. So because you can see how many lashes you have, you grab the one you like. You grab the lovely, can you see it, lashes you like. You dip in the glue. I'll show it to you. I put the glue there. You dip in the glue, you wipe off the excess. You come here, you separate it. Let's say that one. And you place it. That's it. That's basically the principle of it. I'll do another one just for the education purposes. Okay, now I'm gonna try to show you how I feel the 4D one. I open a package, okay? I go the length I like, let's say 13. I grab it close, very close to the, is that 13? Yeah, very close here, and I pull it out like that, and I do the same principle. Okay, I will just fill a little bit and I'll keep you updated. Halfway through, here is after, and obviously here is before. I love it. I think it's good. Perfect length for me, not too long, and of course because I put the 4D on and it's gonna be quite thick. But yeah, I absolutely love it. What do you think? And that's it. That's done for my lovely, lovely lashes. What do you think? I absolutely love this. So same principle. So I use 14 and then it go inward. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and a little bit of 9 in there. And I used a mixed curl between C curl and D curl. Yeah, I absolutely in love with this, and I think hopefully it's not too thick because I don't really like thick lashes, but I absolutely love this. Thank you very much for watching until the end. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what do you think of my lashes look. It take quite a long time. I literally studying at the same time listening to something while I'm doing lashes, which is great. Please, I don't recommend you to do this at home, and if you were to do this at home, DIY it yourself, please, just a reminder that is on your own risk, because it is a very dangerous thing you're playing with. The tools are very sharp and the glue are for professional use. So it's a lot of danger element there. I've been doing my lashes for like years, for couple 2-3 years, so for me I feel confident. I feel like I can control everything. So yeah, and that's everything, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day later on. Bye bye.